Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builders Supply. This video is to bring you a closer look at the National Guard products number 1015 VDKB. This is a door sweep with an integrated drip cap, a vinyl insert in the dark bronze anodized finish. So the 1015 is representative of this profile. Piece of aluminum with a drip cap. The V in the part number stands for vinyl, and that is the insert that you're going to get with the 1015. There are no options other than vinyl. It's a thick piece of vinyl, as you can see. Okay. The DKB, that stands for dark bronze. This is going to be available in, let's see, 1015 is going to be available in the, you have two choices of finish, mill aluminum, and then the DKB, the dark bronze. Okay. Now this incorporates a drip cap. Now drip caps are very interesting in the sense that people who end up using a drip cap model sweep or door bottom have likely been exposed or witnessed how effective drip caps are, whether it be on the bottom of the door or a drip cap that has a projection like this, or the much larger 2.5 inch that's installed at the header of a doorway. And once people witness how effective drip caps are, just driving the water that small a dimension away, this might be 9/16 or so, keeping it from that crucial plane of right here under under the door to the threshold, will attest to their effectiveness. Let's go over the important dimensional properties of the 1015. You can see from the drawing below this video that it's 1.5 inches overall height. Okay, you've got 1 3/16 worth of aluminum, and you've got 5/16 worth of vinyl coming down below. Projection of this item from the face of the door, about 5/8 of an inch. Okay, available, and this is going to be used on, should be used on all exterior doors. In-swing or out-swing. If they're out-swing, that's great. This is going to work perfect. If they're in-swing, you're probably going to have to notch that around your stop a little bit, no doubt, or you're going to cut it between the stops, is what you'll do. On a model like this, you'll install it between the stops, and find that it will work excellent. I like using drip caps in all cases when possible, either with an insert like this, or the client will install a door sweep or a door bottom of their choosing, but then we can apply over top of that a drip cap. You may not want vinyl. Vinyl is not excellent when it comes to extreme temperatures or exposure to sunlight. You might need something heavier duty or larger. You might need a much larger sort of door sweep, or maybe something smaller. You can add a drip cap on top of that. We do that as well. Generally what I like to do is order one of them not drilled, and then the client can stack them together and drill through the one that's not drilled using the one that is drilled as the pilot. There's a link below this video to a document called Catalog that will allow you to review other common vinyl sweeps from National Guard, namely the 101, which is this, just simply larger in its height primarily, and a little bit greater in its projection as well, just a little bit. This is going to be available on the website in several different lengths, pretty much everything from 2 foot to 8 foot in about 6-inch increments. If you have need for a custom length, by all means let us know by ordering the next longest piece or pieces, and simply indicate in the comment field what length you'd like for us to cut the material back to. Now the reasoning is this: if you had to take this 3-foot piece and cut it down to say just 34-inch, you'd eliminate that slotted hole that's there. And speaking of that hole, screws are included in a complimentary finish. And it's nice to have the slotted hole from the factory, and here's why. Certainly not every sill is level. Certainly not every door is plumb. Not every jamb is set perfectly straight or square in the opening. Not every hole that you pre-drill for those screws to begin installation will not be in the exact proper location, because that drill bit has a tendency to walk a little bit before it pierces in if you've not used a center punch, regardless of it being steel, wood, aluminum, fiberglass, stainless, bronze, whatever you're drilling into. So it's nice to have that slotted hole because it will allow you to tailor the exact placement. Too little contact, it's like not having a door sweep. too much contact, and then maybe your door closer can't get the door to latch. And frankly, with a large, thick piece of vinyl like this that's fairly inflexible, I would want to tailor that exactly right so that it was perfect, and those slotted holes will help do that. So if you order a custom length, we'll not only give you the first slotted hole at the proper distance from the edge, but the proper center to center as well. Now the name National Guard is synonymous with all things weather stripping related, not only door sweeps like this, but thresholds, perimeter gasketing, material made of aluminum, stainless steel, architectural bronze. They have a comprehensive offering of steel vision frames for use in both wood and metal doors. There's a link below this video to the manufacturer's page where you can pull up not only all the National Guard products that we sell, a link to their manufacturer's website, which is constantly improving, and then finally a link to their product catalog. If you have more than an occasional need for weather stripping, by all means familiarize yourself with the National Guard product line because their name is quite synonymous with weather stripping. Any questions on the National Guard products? Number 1015V DKB, dark bronze anodized aluminum door sweep with a vinyl insert and an integrated drip cap, or any other National Guard product, please feel free to reach out to us. Thank you.